Best binary option broker 2024. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you some of the reasons why you should choose a pocket option over other binary option broker. To be honest with you, I have already traded in live account with other platform like IQ option, pocket option, Cortex, and Deriv, but I found the pocket option to be the best binary option broker. And here I'm gonna share with you some of the reasons why you should choose pocket option 2024. 50% bonus for your initial deposit. If you don't have an account with the pocket option, there is a link of pocket option in the description down below. Just go click it, open an account, and at the promo code area, just enter the promo code I leave in the description down below in order you to get 50% bonus for your initial deposit. For example, once you want to deposit, after opening an account with my link in the description down below and use the promo code I leave in the description down below, and let's say your initial deposit, let's say, is $1,000, you will get an extra $500 for your initial deposit. That will be a total amount of $1,500. And if you have an account with the pocket option and you like to get a higher or as much as higher bonus for your initial deposit, you can just delete the old pocket option account, open a brand new with my link in the description down below, use the promo code I leave in the description, make your first deposit. That will get a bonus that you can increase your balance and exposure in the market. Reason number 2 why you should choose a pocket option: minimum investment is $5. But be caution, if you want to get such extra 50% bonus, you should deposit at least $50, okay, for your initial deposit. But something below $50, you cannot get such bonus. Another reason why should you choose a pocket option: minimum trade is $1. Another reason, will get a free money for you to practice. Another reason, payment method. There is more than 50 payment method you can use to deposit and withdraw. So another reason, there is no commission for deposit and withdraw. Another reason, here you can see there is more than 100 assets for you to trade. You can diversify your trading. Another reason why you should choose a pocket option over the binary option broker: there is a web application for any device. Before we go furthermore, there is a free Signal Telegram channel I created, and the link is in description down below. Just go click the link to join the free Signal Telegram channel. And if you want a free Signal, just join to my Telegram channel, and the link is in description down below. Another reason why you should choose a pocket option over other binary option broker: there is a tournament. There is a free tournament that you participate for free, and it is daily, and the total price of $250 you can win. And there is a paid one, just you can participate as low as $1, okay. Another reason why you should choose a pocket option over other binary option broker: there is higher payout for many instruments. Like you can just see here at the currency, there is more currency pair here. You can see have 92% payout. Also in stocks, there is most stock here have higher percentage payout. That will increase your profitability in the market, unlike other binary option broker. Another reason why you should choose a pocket option over other binary option broker: this platform is available in many countries. I found this platform is available almost worldwide, like in United Kingdom, United States, Israel, Russia, India, Brazil, Indonesia, Philippines, Belarus, Moldova, Kuwait, Slovakia, Greece, Hungary, Romania, Pakistan, and many more countries in Africa, Asia, Europe, and America. Here is another reason why you should choose a pocket option over other binary option broker 2024. I just go to Trustpilot, where people review about different platform. I see more than 67% of people rate 5-star, and you can see it's the little as 19% of people who rate this platform 1 star, but combined 4-star with the 5-star is more than 78% of people accept this platform to be the great platform. You can see here there is most people, there is a people who have a positive review. It's a wonderful trade platform and it is easy to use. Mini deposit $5 and right now other platforms are higher as 200. In the Pocket Option 2024, I choose Pocket Option as the one of the most legal and trustful broker in binary option. You can see most people have a positive review. I recommend you to choose Pocket Option. Make sure you open an account with my link. Use the promo code in the description down below and you will get half extra for your initial deposit. And if you have an account with such platform, make sure delete the old platform and open a brand new with my link in order you to get such bonus for your initial deposit. I see you to the next video. Bye bye for now.